ओए और वही की हालचाल। आइए देखते हैं आज का माल। तो स्वागत है आप सबका एक और नई वीडियो पे। सो वेरी हार्टली वेलकम टू इन दिस वीडियो एंड वी विल टॉक अबाउट द relation AI workshop related to from the house of Microsoft. So this video gonna be awesome and thanks for a new subscriber after 9 days, just a long time. So let's start with the video without wasting any further time. आइए देखते हैं. So from the given link in the description box you will find this kind of page. So there is a full advertisement of this notification. So this is gonna be Microsoft AI Classroom preparing student for today become a leader of tomorrow with a very nice quote. So there you found the registration now, but before this I think you need to go and scroll down and just learn about it. Supported by the GitHub. So this is a very large program. So there he is show here they show a quick flowchart pattern where they will shows the how it's work really. So in campus communication, so there is a link or the meeting you will gonna be from the Microsoft where you join the webinar, where you join this 3 hours workshop related, and the student receive an email link with the registration link. So where you registered your email, where you get a link for them, and the student registered and attend the online session. You need to attend the online session, then after receive an email to take online assessment there. This is a Microsoft site, so you know there is some kind of a need of sincerity. So this was not an other kind of platform it is. So they give you assessment and you will get a certificate on the behalf of assessment. So I wish you will take Microsoft house seriously and do good in your workshop and achieve something notable and good in your workshop. Then after you will give your assessment. Pass score is 60 or equal to 60 and more than. Miss score more than 60 to retake the assessment. You need to give your assessment again, and if you scored a more than 60% or 60%, you will award it with the Microsoft certificates, which means a lot in seriously. So ARJ will show the how it is work and the 60% what is the criteria of that. Then here you will found a register now the get skill at your own place. So there is a behavior with the Microsoft have not a 1 days of workshop program, because they have a maximum number of people interested in because of the Microsoft. So in this they give a maximum in the various dates as per our relaxations we can say. So 14th to 19th they have a fluctuation in the dates. So you can register as per your choice. So if you want a fluctuation in the date, so you can choose from there. Then 17 18 whatever you want, like Friday or Saturday if you want. So and the Monday is also a good day for starting some like these. And here we go to the session topic and the agenda. So they will cover there all the program how it is gonna happen. So from 2 to 2:05 they just give the intro, and then the 2:05 to 2:50 the module 1 have started. They converted into 2 modules, and you have a chance to interact with the Q&A session with the experts of a Microsoft house, and you will get a more than 30 minutes, or again and again you will get each module Q&A session, and at the last you will get also a Q&A by a live chat. So this is a very beneficial if you want to ask something. So I wish you will don't be hesitate for asking. And you can see that there is a various of top leaders who were speakers. They interact with you at the online session. Who is there? Oh sorry, he's a Punjabi. So here you can find and you will interact with these. And here the founder and the CEO of Cloud, that they have a brand in terms of their. So here they were mentioned about the program. So I will read this program. Is just simply gaining a more time. Actually the video getting a 4 minute, so I don't think I need to read this whole. So if you come there you just read it in the 3 hour session. Like there's the basic and the major detail you will cover. And there when you if you see my video and if you think Microsoft is something relatable to you and you want to do this kind of workshop with the certificated workshop, so hope you will come there and found there are resources also. If you want to resources for preparation too. And then after let's see the what we have to do for registration. We just click on the registration. Now we will forward it to this page, and let us choose a Monday as a good day, as I told you. So here is form. Here a form come with the various of details with the all videos I will mention that the how you have to fill. And that's a very simply, and the job role is we are a student, complaint of the college name, country, region, India, and registered. Now there is a section so you can fill your all details and then register now. After this you will get an email of a link, and if you want to read material or prepare something, so you can go with these 4 links they had mentioned. And one more thing I would like to cover in this video, this is only for an Indian region, you could read in the about section. So this is the beneficial part of this. So after a long term, so I just made a video in the English. Hopefully you will understand and ignore our faults. So that's all that video has. So thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Tony Vijay, Bharat Bate Jai. Keep like, keep share and keep subscribe.